today's video is going to be all about my staples, my holy grails, products that I cannot live without, and products that keep me on a straight path. Before we continue, please do not mind, or please do not be distracted from the hole in my t-shirt. I am going to be painting after this is filmed. Almost 2 months ago, I recorded a full product stash of all the hair products that I have, and then about a month or so ago, I think 3 weeks, I did do a bit of shopping and I got more products. So those may be included into this video. Let's keep this video short and simple. Well, not short, but let's keep this video really simple. So starting off, I'm gonna go in with categories first, like shampoos, conditioners, deep conditioners, blah blah blah. So starting off is shampoos. All right, so starting with my number one favorite shampoo. I don't know, you guys may already know this. The main choice, Detangling and Hydration Shampoo. This is the first shampoo I've ever fell in love with. I've tried many other shampoos in the beginning of my natural hair journey, and they always left my hair really dry, fragile, hair fell out. It just felt super stripped. Even after deep conditioning, I just felt like I just lost a whole bunch of moisture and my natural oil. So that really put me off shampooing, which is why I don't shampoo as often. But now that my moisture game is better, I'm starting to shampoo my hair with at least every month. Sometimes if I do have buildup, especially if I'm using a lot of edge control or gel on my hair, I will shampoo my scalp only, and towards the end of the month I do a full shampoo. So the main choice, the Detangling Hydration, is my number one shampoo. When I first tried this shampoo, I was like, damn, it has great slip. I love the smell, the consistency. It's not too thick. It's a really nice, gentle, moisturizing shampoo. It smells amazing. It just flows so well on my scalp, and I can feel it when I wash my hair clean.
The clump, oh my gosh.
This shampoo gets my hair defined, and I have so much body, and it just leaves like a really nice violet smell to it. I love it. It's my number one. For my second favorite shampoo, it is Camille Rose Clean Rinse, Clarifying and Moisturizing Shampoo. This is a shampoo that I've used when I did my maximum hydration method, and I was surprised. I was like, okay, for a clarifying shampoo, it scared me because I'm like, oh my gosh, my hair's gonna be dry again, it's gonna be stripped, it's gonna be tangled, it's gonna make my hair break, and it didn't. It left my hair just like the main choice, defined, and it gave me a nice clump too. And I was like, oh, it made me want to believe in shampooing again. And those two shampoos are the reason why I am doing more shampooing. And especially now that my hair is, like I said, especially now that my hair is on a really good moisture level, I can take away some oils a bit to the point where my hair is still nice and soft and it's not overly drying, because my hair has a lot of moisture and a lot of protein. It's well balanced, so I can bring it down a few levels and bring it all the way back up, if you get what I mean. Next up, we have CoWash. I only have one CoWash. My number one CoWash, hello, Bodyworks Coconut Shea Natural Cleansing CoWash. This stuff, like I said, this is my third or second jar. I still get the same amazing results, and I love that they are a 16-ounce jar. These brands need to start making their jars bigger. Bodyworks, that's one thing I love about them. Their jars are so big, and you get your money's worth. This CoWash is the only CoWash I swear by. I love it. I do have a few products in my stash that doubles as a co-washer, but this is a product that is only labeled as a co-wash, if you get what I mean. So, but for me, it is so moisturizing. The slip, it does have protein, but It is just so well balanced. When I put it in my hair, it's just super creamy. I feel like I'm putting on like a hair milk, and the slip, and then when I rinse it off, my hair is just so soft and have a good shine to it. I love it. It honestly, like, people ask me, can you deep condition with it? And I'm just like, yeah, but never ever ever skip or replace your deep conditioner with something you think is really really good on your hair just because it leaves it soft. You don't want something to leave your hair soft. You want something that goes above and beyond. And for this, I wouldn't just use it as a deep conditioner. Like I said, it is a co-wash, and it is a great co-wash. Conditioners. You guys know I don't usually use conditioners, but when I'm in the shower and I rinse my hair clean, even if I don't shampoo, if I don't co-wash, I'm just like, I need a little pick-me-up quickly. My go-to conditioners, I got 2 that I use, only 2. My number 1 favorite conditioner is the Tailored Beauty Coconut Cream Conditioner. This brand is just a full-on repurchase. The slip, I do believe it's protein free as well. It has mango butter in there. I love this stuff. It really hydrates my hair in a breeze. Less than 5 minutes, my hair is feeling super super soft. I even use it as a styler. My number 2 is the Giovanni 50/50 Balanced Hydrating-Calming Conditioner. This stuff is in a huge ass bottle, which if all brands can just make their stuff bigger. Okay, Giovanni, if you guys never heard of Giovanni, no, it's not black owned, but I can't lie. Like I say, I have to give credit where credit is due. I love this stuff. My number 2 go-to conditioner. You can't go wrong for the price. The amount that you get in a bottle for the price. I got mine for $14 at Marshall's or Winners. It is so moisturizing. For deep conditioners, you guys know deep conditioning queen right here. I love my deep conditioners, okay? The best deep conditioner ever. Natural all avocado hair mask. I'm like banging on my table right now. Best deep conditioner ever. They need to sell that mask in a jar. If you're gonna do it in an 8-ounce, fine, but can you give us a 16-ounce jar? Like, honestly, that mask.
Girl, am I sweating? Ooh, I'm sweating. That mask is the business.
The slip, it absorbs into your hair, and just the fact alone that I've seen men and female, all different hair types, whether you're low porosity, high porosity, type 3, type 4, type 2, whatever, short, medium, long, everyone says the same thing. It is so bomb. So bomb. And it's avocado, so it's all natural. There's no added protein in there. It's just natural avocado. So even if you're low porosity and you're protein sensitive,
try it. Try it.
Number two, Mielle Organics Babassu and Mint hair treatment. That stuff. I don't have it with me in my stash. The last time I had it was probably about a month or so ago. I always buy it on sale because,
bitch, that ain't cheap.
An 8-ounce jar when it's on sale in Canada, I think it is $16 or $14 when it's on sale. I think it's 16.
Okay, on sale. An 8-ounce. An 8-ounce don't last me long, sis. Like, I don't know what Mielle is doing, but they need to make that stuff in a bigger jar.
And of course, it has protein. It is a strengthening elasticity hair treatment. When I first put that deep conditioner in my hair, probably about a year, close to 2 years ago, when I was really getting into just getting better products for my hair, it was a little bit dry, and so I added oils to it. When I washed that out, I was like, damn. And that was like one of my first proper strengthening treatments that I've ever done on my hair, and I saw automatically I seen a difference in my curl pattern. It left my hair super defined, and I knew from then, I'm like, we're gonna buy it over and over again. I've had about probably 4 jars of that stuff. Honestly, I always check for when it's on sale. When it's on sale, I buy it. I always buy one because I'm like, coins, hello, it's not cheap, but it's worth it. If you guys are transitioning, you guys have heat damage, your hair just feels limp, you have no definition, your curls are breaking, excessive shedding, this deep conditioner right here, oh my gosh, this one and the Natural All Club, perfect. The deep conditioner, the Mielle, it's not too thick, so it's a little bit runny, but it's not too runny. It's a perfect consistency. I noticed with these type of textures of products, my hair really loves. My hair doesn't like too thick, too watery. It likes a perfect in between. Top 2. I think it should be number 1 as well with the Natural All. So can I have 2 number 1s? Is that, I can have 2 number 1s because the Natural All, it's 2 packages, 2 uses. The Babassu, it's $16. When it's on sale, it is, you know, obviously more than 2 uses, even though it's an 8-ounce jar. So I think I'm gonna have 2 number 1s, okay? The Mielle Organics and Natural All. Number two is DIY. Do it yourself. That is the best way. If you guys are having trouble finding products, sometimes just take a step back and just create your own shit.
There ain't nothing like creating your own shit and putting it on your own shit and your shit just coming out bomb shit.
The ingredient that I cannot make my DIY without is bananas. Bananas. And with it being high in potassium and having other nutrients and vitamins, bananas give me some life. Also, avocados. Avocados, you know, the protein, the high fat content, the creamy consistency. Bananas and avocados, I cannot make my mix without. One of my favorite mixes to do protein free are bananas, aloe vera juice, mangoes. Mangoes are so good. Olive oil, sunflower seed oil. Yeah, those 5. Great protein free mix. For my favorite protein, you know, it's avocados, it's bananas. I love Greek yogurt because Greek yogurt is really high in protein, and honey. This was part 1. This is going to be a 2-part series. 2-part. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next part.